Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of the Weight Watchers program. This innovative strategy offers a unique approach to weight loss, incorporating aspects of nutrition, exercise, and mental well-being. Whether you're a newbie to the program or an old hand needing a refresher, it's vital to understand how to navigate it effectively. We're here to provide some practical tips to help you succeed. So let's get started. These tips will guide you towards achieving your weight loss goals. Firstly, one of the most important tips is to track everything you eat and drink. You see, the essence of the Weight Watchers program lies in its point system. Every morsel you consume, every sip you take, carries a certain point value. Staying within your daily allowance is the key to success. So take advantage of the tools at your disposal. The Weight Watchers app, for instance, is a brilliant way to keep tabs on your points. Or, you could go old school and maintain a food diary. Now let's talk about planning. It's not just about what you eat, but also when and how you eat. Planning your meals and snacks in advance helps you sidestep those last-minute unhealthy choices that can derail your progress. And of course, planning extends to your grocery list as well. Aim for healthy ingredients and make a habit of preparing meals at home whenever possible. This way, you're in control of what goes into your food and ultimately, your body. Another tip is to use the Weight Watchers app to its full potential. It's not just a digital food diary, it's a comprehensive tool designed to make your weight loss journey smoother. It helps you track your points, find healthy and delicious recipes, and even connects you with other members. It's like having a personal weight loss coach right in your pocket. Now, let's talk about accountability. It's easy to lose motivation when you're going at it alone. That's where an accountability partner comes in. This could be a friend, a family member, or even a fellow Weight Watchers member. They're there to cheer you on, to help you stay motivated, and to share in your small victories and challenges. It's about creating a supportive environment for your journey. Having someone to share your journey with can provide motivation and support. Remember, we're stronger together. Attending Weight Watchers meetings or visiting online groups can also be beneficial. Diving into the community aspect of the program can truly enrich your journey. It's in these meetings where you'll find people who are on the same path as you, sharing experiences, challenges, and triumphs. This camaraderie can provide you with valuable insights, encouragement, and perhaps most importantly, a sense of belonging. Now let's talk about points. The Weight Watchers program is hinged on its innovative point system. Every food and drink item has a designated point value, and each of us has a daily allowance. Honesty is paramount here. It's essential to count every single point, even if it's just a small bite of a cookie or a taste of your favorite ice cream. These seemingly insignificant nibbles can quickly add up and tip the scale. So, keep a vigilant eye on your points intake. Even small bites and tastes can add up, so make sure to include them in your tracking. Filling up on fruits and vegetables is another great tip. These nutritional powerhouses are low in points and high in nutrients, making them a perfect choice for snacking or adding volume to your meals. From crisp apples to leafy greens, there's a rainbow of options to keep your plate vibrant and your taste buds satisfied. Equally important, remember to embrace lean proteins and whole grains. These foods will not only keep you feeling fuller longer, but also fuel your body with the energy it needs to thrive. But let's not forget about perseverance. In the journey of weight loss, you may encounter bumps along the road. There might be days when you veer off track or indulge a little more than you intended. But don't let these moments discourage you. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Get back on track as soon as you can and keep moving forward. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. In conclusion, success with Weight Watchers comes down to planning, tracking, and making healthy choices. Remember, this journey is about more than just numbers on a scale. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle one day at a time. Keep track of your points, plan ahead, fill up on nutrient-rich foods, and don't hesitate to lean on your community for support. And above all, never give up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.